Hi, welcome you all. Hope you all are doing good. We are going to prepare a special pickle today, that is dates and lemon pickle. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Here we have taken 500 grams of lemon. These lemons are of medium sized, which is around 15. We are using ripe and yellow lemon for making the pickle. If you are using a green lemon, then it will cause a bitter taste. So always use a ripe lemon. Now we will show how to cut lemon for pickle. First, slice the lemon into two parts. Cut each half into 4 pieces similar to how we does, so that we should get 8 pieces from one lemon. Here we have cut all the lemon in the similar way. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now mix it well with the lemon and keep it aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Another main ingredient for this pickle is dates. Here we have taken 30 to 40 dates and we have removed the seeds of the dates and cut into pieces. Then add 3 tablespoons of vinegar into it. Mix it well with the dates and keep it aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it will soften the dates. After 1 hour, heat a pan and add half cup of coconut oil or any other refined cooking oil into it. Here we have taken refined sunflower oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. When the splattering ends, set the flame to medium level. Add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds till the color changes. Then quickly add half cup of ginger finely chopped. Add half cup of garlic peeled and sliced. 5 finely chopped green chilies. 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now stir it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, set the flame to low level. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, Add 1 teaspoon of salt, Shoot it on a low flame for 1 minute. Now it's time to add a lemon mixed with the salt. Mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can see that lemon has been cooked well. Now it's time to add dates into it. Add the dates into it and then spread it on top of the lemon in similar way. Do not mix it with the lemon, just layer it and close the lid and cook it for 3 minutes in a medium flame. After 3 minutes, mix it well. Cover the lid again and cook for another 3 more minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar into it and mix it well. Now, if you taste this pickle, the salt, sourness and bitter taste will be bit more. No need to worry, the taste will be perfectly balanced after setting for 5 days. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Shift into an airtight container once it has cooled down. Use it only after letting it set for 5 days. Hope you all liked and enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.